Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about the counseling of Phase 2 of SRM JEE 2021, and I will also tell you about the scholarship details. What is the scholarship and will you be getting the CSE at 3.5 lakhs fees or 2.5 lakh rupees as the fees. So guys, I would suggest you to watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out the major part in this video. I will also tell you about which branch you should choose now in the second round and which branch has the most demand so that you should give it a try or not. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, now let's first talk about which branch you should choose now in the round 2 and which of the branches were having the most demand. So guys, if your rank is between 2k to 2.5k, so you can give it a try to CSE core. See guys, one thing I want to assure you that we can't give you 100% assurance that the cutoffs or the branches we are suggesting you will 100% get it. It's totally on the basis of phase 1 and the past records of SRM JEE. So on the basis of that only I am telling you. So if your rank is under 2.5k to 3k, you can give it a try to CSE core or CSE with AI/ML. Because why I am telling this guys, because CSE core and CSE with specialization in AI and ML is the most demanding branch for the students so far I know, because the cutoffs of these two branches are only the highest or the maximum going this time. Now talking about the branches which you can get at a rank of 10k to 13k also. I'm talking about the CSE with specialization. So that specializations include data analytics, software engineering. You can also give it a try to IoT and blockchain technology and also to cloud computing. Because guys, I got one of my subscriber only told me that he has got a rank of near about 10.5k and he got the seat in CSE with cloud computing. So guys, when most of the students were struggling to get AI and ML with the rank of 4000 also, this guy secured the seat with a rank of 10.5k in CSE with cloud computing. So with this you can get an idea that how the seats is being given by the SRM University. I'm not basically we are also not getting why SRM is doing like this, like under 1k rank holder students are also not getting the seat. So it's a bit confusing for us also to suggest you the proper branches that you can get easily in round 2. From the starting of this day only, I was getting most of the DMs regarding some are saying we have got the seat, some are saying we have not got the seat with 2k rank, 4k rank. So guys, I can suggest you these branches only in which I can at least give you that hint that at least you have the chance to get these branches, because according to the stats, as I already told you, when the students are not getting CSE with AI/ML with 4k rank, but this guy at 10.5k rank got the seat in CSE with cloud computing. So now let's talk about the topic that who will get 2.5 lakh as the fees and who will not get this fees, or I can say who will get the fees as 3.5 lakh. So for this, let me first give you the scholarship detail tutorial. See guys, as you can see on the screen, I will tell you how you can find the scholarship details on the main website. Because most of you are sending me the access of the websites like Shiksha.com and other websites. So guys, these sites are not valid because the main website of the SRM only can tell the true picture of the scholarship. So see the screen, I will tell you how you can find the scholarship. So as you can see, first of all you have to log in the srmist.edu.in website. So this is the main page which you can see here. Simply you have to click on admissions and then you will be redirected to this admissions area. So you can, as you can see, engineering is being mentioned here. So you have to simply click on fees. When you will click on that now, as you can see in the left side menu bar, you can see a scholarship is mentioned. So simply click on that menu and you will be directed to this page. So as you can see here, the complete scholarship which is provided by SRM University for 2021 batch is here. So now let me make it more clear by explaining this. So first of all, let's talk about the SRM JEE rank holders. So who has secured the rank from 1 to 100 will get the 100% scholarship, which includes your tuition fee, your transportation fees if you are nearby locality, and your hostel fees. So this was the rank for 1 to 100. Now the students who secured the rank from 101 to 500 will only get a scholarship on their tuition fees. No hostel fees, no transportation fees will be included in this. Only your tuition fee will be deducted from the overall. But guys, one thing I may want to make it clear that this fee scholarship you are getting is only for the first year. Okay guys, now let's talk about the scholarship on the basis of CBSE merit. So guys, those students who have secured the percentage above 98% will again get a scholarship which includes 100% tuition fee waiver, hostel fees waiver and transportation fee waiver. Now let's talk about the students who secured the percentage above 95% but below 98%. So those students will get the 100% scholarship for only your tuition fee waiver. So guys, I hope now you understand who are getting the scholarships and who are not getting. Now guys, from this only I will make it clear regarding the 2.5 lakh rupees fees and 3.5 lakh rupees fees. So simply now see this. For the student who got the scholarship, I am not talking about that 1 to 100 or 100 to 500. For tuition fee, both have the same criteria. So the students who secure the rank from 1 to 500 will get 100% tuition fee waiver for the first year, and from the second year to the fourth year you have to pay 2.5 lakh rupees as your fees. I hope now it's clear. Same goes for the students who secured the CBSE merit scholarship, that is above 98% and above 95%. Both have again the same criteria that they will also get 100% tuition fee waiver for the first year, and from the second year they have to pay the fees 2.5 lakh rupees per year till your fourth year. So guys, I hope this was I hope you understand what I want to say. Guys, hostel fee and other stuff have the other that criteria is being told to you. So guys, for the better understanding of the hostels and other stuff, you can also visit our channel and watch the video related to hostel versus PG or fee structure of academics in hostel. I will give you the link in the description part. You can also watch there also. And guys, now let's talk about my conclusion part. So guys, again I am saying scholarship is now cleared out, but now what you have to choose in your round. So as I told, if you have the rank under 3K, you can give it a try to CSE core or CSE with AIM. Okay, but you are having above rank, so I am not 100% sure whether you can get on top. See, it's a personal opinion. You can give it a try to the other branches which I told you, like cloud computing, IoT, blockchain, and what all I told you in the earlier part. So guys, you can go and have a look at that also, branches also. They are also good, because when it comes to CSE core or CSE with specialization, more or less both have the same opportunity when it comes to the placement part. So don't worry about that whether you can get the placement, like this branch has more placement or this. Guys, placement opportunity is being given to you by SRM on the basis of, not on the basis of your branch, but on the basis of your career. So guys, please make a note of it, and I hope you understood all the points which I have covered in this video. So with this, I would like to end the video. So guys, I hope you like this video. Again, I am saying, if you have any query related to SRM University for this video, you can directly ask the question in the comment section, or you can also connect us on Instagram page or Telegram channel. Guys, if you like this video and find it informative, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. It gives a sense of motivation to us to bring more quality content for you guys only. With this, I would like to end the video. Stay safe, stay active. Thank you.